Imagine standing on a bridge so high that even the Eiffel Tower would fit beneath it. A bridge towering 359 meters above a river, higher than the Eiffel Tower, taller than most skyscrapers, and built in one of the world's toughest mountain ranges. This isn't in Europe or China, it's in India. But this bridge isn't just about breaking records. It could transform connectivity, strengthen national security, and reshape the economy of an entire region. So why did India spend years building the world's highest railway bridge? And why does it matter far beyond engineering? Let's find out. For decades, one region remained incredibly difficult to connect by rail. The Himalayan terrain is unforgiving. Steep cliffs, deep valleys, unstable slopes, earthquakes, freezing winters, and powerful winds made railway construction one of India's biggest engineering challenges. Roads were often disrupted by landslides or heavy snowfall. Reaching remote areas could take many hours. Connecting the region with the rest of the country wasn't just about convenience. It was a strategic necessity. India needed a railway that could operate reliably throughout the year. But one obstacle stood in the way: a massive gorge carved by the Chenab River. Building across it seemed almost impossible. Engineers designed a steel arch bridge unlike anything India had ever attempted. The bridge rises approximately 359 meters above the river, making it the highest railway arch bridge in the world. Its main steel arch spans over 460 meters, creating an elegant yet incredibly strong structure capable of carrying heavy trains through mountainous terrain. Every component had to withstand strong mountain winds, extreme temperatures, earthquakes, heavy rain and snow. Decades of continuous rail traffic. Construction required thousands of tons of structural steel and years of precise engineering. This wasn't simply building a bridge. It was solving one of the most difficult engineering puzzles in modern infrastructure. Breaking a world record wasn't the main objective. The real goal was connectivity. The bridge is part of a larger railway project designed to provide an all-weather rail connection to the Kashmir Valley. Reliable rail transport can improve the movement of people, goods, agricultural products, and tourism. Travel becomes faster, logistics become more efficient, and businesses gain easier access to national markets. Infrastructure often acts as an economic multiplier. When transportation improves, investment, employment, and local development tend to follow. The bridge is therefore much more than steel and concrete. It is part of a long-term vision for regional development. The railway also has strategic value. Reliable transportation networks are essential for moving supplies and personnel whenever required. Mountain regions present unique logistical challenges, especially during adverse weather. Rail connectivity provides an additional transportation option alongside existing road networks. This improves resilience and enhances overall connectivity in a geographically demanding region. Infrastructure like this often serves both civilian and strategic purposes simultaneously. Constructing the bridge required advanced surveying, specialized equipment, and remarkable precision. Workers operated hundreds of meters above the river while dealing with difficult terrain and changing weather conditions. The two halves of the giant steel arch had to meet with extraordinary accuracy. Even a tiny misalignment could have created major engineering problems. Modern monitoring systems help track structural performance, ensuring the bridge continues to operate safely over time. The finished structure reflects years of planning, testing, and collaboration among engineers, designers, and construction teams. The world's highest railway bridge represents more than an engineering achievement. It symbolizes persistence. It demonstrates what can be accomplished when ambitious infrastructure projects overcome geographic challenges. For travelers, it promises improved connectivity. For businesses, it offers better transportation links. For engineers, it stands as one of the most remarkable railway bridges ever constructed. And for India, it marks another milestone in building infrastructure designed to serve future generations. Would you travel across the world's highest railway bridge? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stories about engineering, technology, and India's biggest infrastructure projects.